Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going through the new releases for Scentsy Fall Winter Catalog. So I have 10 fragrances under new releases. I'm going to read the description. We're going to sniff together. It was so hard getting this package today and just sitting there looking at it and not being able to sniff anything, but I wanted to do my first review with you guys. So let's go. I have picked up one and we're just gonna grab and go. So the first one is Fiddle Leaf Fig. It is described as a botanical haven brimming with wild fern, mission fig, and hints of crushed rosemary and coconut water. This sounds interesting. Okay. It's very earthy. It smells like stems. It almost reminds me of the Bring Back My Bar tomato vine. It's kind of on that vibe. So it's very green. It's reminding me of tomato vine. That's all I got. We have Huckleberry Wreath, and that one is for the holidays or any days. Crimson red currant with a handful of huckleberries brighten a wreath of frosted fur. Okay, Huckleberry Wreath. I think I'm not a huckleberry fan because I've smelled like another huckleberry fragrance before, and I'm just kind of like, eh. I think huckleberry is one of those, either you're gonna love it or not. So right now I'm kind of like not, because I think all I smell is huckleberry and the fur is kind of way off in the back. So I will give it a chance and warm it and see if my opinion changes. Next is candied cranberry pecan. It is classic cranberries and pecans are sweetened by sugar cane and a ribbon of brandied plum. Now this sounds like it's going to be delicious. Oh, this is nice. You can smell the pecan, like right, I don't know why I keep switching pecan. You can smell it right off the bat, and you smell the cranberry. And I think I'm getting a little plum also, but like as soon as I twisted the cap off, it was pecan. This is nice. I think I'm going to enjoy this one. Maple Apple Bourbon. I've heard a lot of people talking about this one. It is juicy red apple and rich maple. Get into the holiday spirit with a splash of bourbon. Bourbon. Okay, let's see. Maple is coming at you right off the top. It's a good mix of maple and apple though. I don't really smell the bourbon yet. I think the maple and apple is kind of taking over, so maybe the bourbon will come out once I warm it. We have First Day of Fall. All the best parts are here. Just pick pumpkin, a breath of autumn woods, ground nutmeg, and a spicy dash of cinnamon. If I could read today. Okay, so we got pumpkin, we got autumn woods, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So, okay. At least the cinnamon's not jumping out at me. I smell a little nutmeg. The pumpkin is not really jumping out at me like I thought it would be. This is better than I thought. I know you keep seeing me go, like something is wrong, but I'm surprised that the cinnamon is not punching me in the face, or the pumpkin. I love pumpkin, but sometimes pumpkin can be very overpowering. This seems to be a good blend of everything, so I'm looking forward to warming this and see what it smells like warm. Grapefruit and grenadine. Heard a lot of people talking about this as well. It says splashes of sparkling grapefruit and juicy pomegranate are garnished with zesty orange peel and the ultimate merry cocktail. Ooh, grapefruit. Wow. Wow, yeah, that's a lot of grapefruit. If you are a citrus fan, if you are a grapefruit lover, this is for you. This is punching me dead in my face with grapefruit. I'm just, woo, wow. I'm snow over it. It says, you know you love it. Sage, whispering pine, and cedarwood bursting with bright berries will rekindle your winter romance. You guys know I purchased this one already in the bar form. And it's nice. It's kind of subtle. I can smell the sage. I don't really smell any berries. But I think this might be kind of a light or kind of mid to light performer. Because it's very light. And to me that's a good thing because you guys know I'm just not into the forest in my house smell. Stroopwafel Delight. I have never heard of this before. I'm assuming it's a dessert. They do have a picture of it. I believe this is it in the catalog. And it says, a cozy twist on a traditional Dutch treat made with creamy vanilla and melted butter and cinnamon. I have a feeling this is going to make me hungry. Ooh, I can get it open. Oh yeah. It smells like dessert. I smell butter. Right off the top, I smell butter. I smell the cinnamon. I don't really smell the vanilla, but that butter, man, wow. It's nice. Now I'm hungry. Next we have Blood Orange Spice, a sweet tart trio. Candied apple, blood orange, puree, and cinnamon stick will satisfy your autumn obsession. I am not a citrus person, so let's see. Oh, this is nice. Okay. I smell the apple. I can smell all three, the apple, the orange peel, and the cinnamon stick. But it's really blended nicely. Nothing is overpowering anything else. This is really nice. I am shocked. See, this is why sometimes you have to go beyond the scent note description in the catalog, because you'll think one thing and then you smell it and it's something totally different. And that is why I wanted to buy this transition kit so I could smell everything, because I might have a new favorite and not even realize it. And last but certainly not least, for all the chocolate lovers in the house, we have Brownie Batter. So Brownie Batter is rich, heavenly notes of baked brownie, cocoa powder, and vanilla bean will set the stage for some serious cravings. Once again, I'm gonna be hungry. Oh, that is so good. Oh my God. Chocolate. Wow. And then as soon as you rub it, oh my God. Oh, this smells like you could eat it. Please do not eat this, but it smells so good. It smells just like a brownie. So there you have it. Those are the new releases. So everything is available right now on my website. So head over and try something new. So I will have some more scents coming. We're going to sniff together. I haven't smelled anything yet, so I'm waiting to do it with you. So thanks for watching. As always, please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.